Energy, an invisible miracle until it awakens with a single touch. This energy transforms into light in your home, perhaps even into a small smile. To bring this power into existence, at the very beginning of the story, we continue to bring giant blades together with the wind. As Hareket, with our PTCI service at every point where the wind blows, we write a load engineering story, spanning from port to installation. We are proud to be the preferred strategic solution partner for energy projects across 3 continents with our engineering strength. Since 2007, across 3 continents, we have powered renewable energy with the assembly of 1,160 wind turbines, 1,051 installation services, and 1,498 wind turbine transportation operations. With the services we have provided, we have contributed to the production of 6,632 megawatts of energy. Based on the total capacity of the wind power plants and grid emission factors, the projects we have contributed to support the generation of approximately 20 terawatt-hours of clean energy annually and help prevent around 9 million tons of CO2 emissions each year. In other words, through the renewable energy projects we serve, we contribute to providing electricity to more than 6 million households. For us, these numbers are not just statistics. They mean light reaching 6 million households and a guarantee of sustainable energy. With 69 years of experience, we will continue to lead the transformation of sustainable energy and to shape the direction of the wind.